Let's split a cell like this. Look at, you want to have a design like this. In split cells, sometimes you need to write and split a cell. So for this, simply just come here, click in a cell. For example, I will click on this one, then come here to home, to border, come here to more borders, and finally you will be on the border tab. And here you have two options. This one at the right side and on the left side. Which one you want? For example, first of all, this one. Look at the border. Press OK. So you have now the border like this. Look at, now we will write inside this like name, alt enter, date. Simply it will look like this. Now we will adjust this. Come here, add space, enter. It will look like this. But if you want to add another line, so you can add another line between them, or you can adjust it. Come here to control plus one, control plus one. Alignment, here you can adjust your text. Look at how it will looks like. You can add a border like this also, then adjust the text inside that. So it was all about how to adjust and split cell in MS Excel.